Hi friends, today we'll discuss few more important banking exam questions with answer and explanation also. Who is the chairperson of the Monetary Policy Committee of India, RBI Governor? The Monetary Policy Committee is responsible for fixing the benchmark interest rates in India. These interest rates will be applicable to all the banks. What do we call the facility given to a current account holder to withdraw more than his credit balance is called overdraft. What is the aggregate loan amount of a single borrower at any point of time across all P2Ps under NBC P2P Lending Platform Directions 2017 by RBI is 50 lakhs. P2P is peer-to-peer. Who has initiated capital market line? William Sharpe. What is meant by credit market? It's called debit market. Also known as debt market is a market where banks and financial institutions provide debt to investors. What is meant by forex dealer? Ensure exchange in currencies. The person will be dealing with the exchange of currency from one currency to another currency. What is meant by preference shares? Preference shares have a fixed dividend. Normally for the general shares, dividend is not fixed. It is optional. If company getting profit, then dividend will be paid to the shareholders, but preferential shares dividend is fixed. Every year you will get a dividend for your preference shares. What is meant by T-notes? Longer term instruments. Treasury notes are longer term instruments issued for 1 to 10 years. Notes have fixed or coupon interest rate and the interest will be paid semi-annually. What is meant by treasury strips? Long-term discounted treasury instruments known as strips. Normally interest will be paid on the coupon rate. For example, if it is 7% per annum, then interest will be paid 7% calculated on the coupon rate. But for the discounted instruments, 100 rupees face value, you will get it for 88 rupees. On maturity, instead of 88 rupees, you will get 100 rupees and there won't be any extra interest will be paid on these instruments. What is meant by cash dividend? Money paid to stockholders. The cash dividend in the money paid to stockholders generally a part of current earnings profit. When company gets profits, these profits will be given to the shareholders as cash dividend. What is meant by stock dividend? Giving free shares to the shareholders. In previous scenario, cash will be paid to the shareholders, but here additional shares will be given to the shareholders. It can be 1:1 or 2:1. These additional shares will be given on free. What is meant by MTM? Mark to market. When you are dealing with the shares and you have open positions, without selling those shares, you have to calculate mark to market. So mark to market will be calculated on the purchase price and today's current price. Sometimes it may be profit, sometimes it may be loss also. What is meant by settlement date in stock trading? Transfer of shares from seller to buyer. Normally in share trading, today if you buy shares, amount will be paid today, but your shares will be transferred to your demat account on T+2, means T means today plus 2 days, means after 2 days shares will be transferred to demat account. For that particular date, it will be called as settlement date. Transaction date is today, T plus 2 is settlement date. What is meant by DM? Deal matching. When you are buying or selling the shares, if you want to buy 100 shares at 10 rupees 75 paisa, other person should ready to sell 100 shares at 10 rupees 70 paisa. If both quantities and rate is matching, then this is called deal matching. What is meant by FIFO? First in, first out. So, which was taken first, that will be sold first, not the latest. Oldest will be sold first. What is meant by LIFO? Last in, first out means recently bought whatever shares bought most recently will be sold in this method, LIFO. What is meant by backdated deals? Issuing earlier date than actual date. So, today is transaction date, actual date, but your deal date was 2 months or 3 months or 6 months back. So, rate will be applicable backdated deal date. These are called backdated deals. What is meant by base currency? When you are converting currency from USD to GBP, USD will be called as base currency. You are transferring currency from USD to GBP. In a same scenario, if you are converting currency from USD to GBP, GBP is called quote currency. What is the full form of SSN? Social Security Number. Which is meant by holiday currency, no settlement. So, transaction you are doing today and your settlement will be after 3 days or 7 days. Then, during this period, if there is no settlement is happening, then it is called holiday currency. What is meant by MIBOR? Mumbai Interbank Offer Rate. The rate which banks borrow unsecured funds from another institute in the interbank market. What is meant by SIBOR? Singapore Interbank Offered Rate. SIBOR is a reference rate for lenders and borrowers that participate directly or indirectly in the Asian economy. What is the full form of TIBOR? Tokyo Interbank Offered Rate, which is the daily reference rate derived from the interest rate that banks charge to lend funds to other banks in the Japanese interbank market. In interbank market, the rate charged, one bank giving money to another bank, the rate will be charged depend on the TIBOR. What is meant by spot rate? Asset available immediate delivery. Anything asset you want to deliver immediately, the rate will be paid for the transaction is called spot price. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends. In case you have any queries, please call me or send me a mail.